Good morning, YouTube. How you doing today? This is Country Ham Farm. I want to make a little video on some junky equipment that I have bought this last week from Lowe's. Both of them were the Craftsman WC2200 25cc two-stroke curved shaft string trimmer. I bought it. You could not put it together. I'll zoom in. You see where the quick connect is right there? Yeah, I'm sorry. You're on a computer screen looking at it. But the quick connect was not in the right spot. So when you went to try to put it together, you just had two shafts clicking against each other. The internal drive shaft was not long enough. It was not meeting anywhere. Poor quality control. And so I took it back to another store. This was in Birmingham. 30 miles apart, got another one. Swapped it in. Same damn thing. So I took it back in. Picked up one of these. That's the same thing, the WS2200, but it was a straight shaft. Same thing. But I'll go ahead and tell you, both of these are junk. Poor quality control. And Lowe's, I don't know if it's you or if it's your company, but either way, you either need to cut contract with them or you're going to run a lot of customers off. This is just, I'd almost demand for the quality control manager to be terminated on this, because if it's that widespread, even my local store, I checked on one yesterday, pulled it out of the box in the store, and it couldn't even assemble it. So it's a widespread problem, and that means that the quality control is not doing what they should have done. Need to fire them. They only have one job. Get rid of them. But that's just my rant. But hey, Boland's, their El Cheapo straight shaft come to my rescue. Did everything I needed to do, and I'll do a video on it because I torture my equipment. As long as it makes it past a week, I'm happy with it. Means I made money with it, and then it got tortured, and I can do videos like this for y'all. But yeah, I would not recommend any of the Craftsman trimmers, especially the two lower end ones. I'd probably say all of them are junk. If you want something good, get a Troy belt. 27cc multi-attachment one. You buy them at Tractor Supply, or even the Boland's I got it's a 25cc. You know, it don't have all the power, but you know what? It did what I asked it to do. It might not have liked it, but it did what I asked it to do. But that's all, folks. I hope this video helps you, and I hope y'all stay away from them. Yeah, because you see there's the picture of each one. They're not worth the time or day to put in them. Y'all have a good one. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, Country Ham Farms.